Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a unique productivity tool called imdone, a Markdown-based Kanban board designed for developers, writers, and anyone who works with text files. And the best part? It currently has a lifetime deal on Stack Social. imdone is a simple but powerful task management app that turns your Markdown blocks, TODO comments, and notes into Kanban cards automatically. Instead of jumping between a project board and your code or documents, imdone reads your files and organizes everything into a visual board, so your tasks stay directly connected to your real work. Here are the key features you get with imdone. Scan your project folders for to-do comments and instantly generate task cards, add or edit cards using the built-in editor or your favorite Markdown editor. Drag and drop cards across your Kanban board. Jump straight to the source code of any task with one click. Add due dates, times, and color labels. Use keyboard shortcuts to move fast. Keep your code clean by clearing completed to-dos. Works on macOS, Windows, Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian. Right now on Stack Social, you can get the imdone lifetime subscription for only $14, down from the $25 regular price. You'll receive lifetime access. Updates included use on 2 devices, and you must redeem within 30 days of purchase. Exclusive Stack Social coupon alert. Use code SOFTPARK20 checkout to save 20% instantly. If you're a developer or someone who works with Markdown every day, imdone is a clean, efficient way to manage your tasks without switching tools. I've dropped the link below on Stack Social. Thanks for watching. And remember, sometimes a little cheat can make the game a lot more fun.